How to look good in public. Proven tips for girls and boys. You are amazing just as you are. Take pride in your appearance, let your confidence soar, and don't be afraid to stand out. Your positive attitude and self-assurance will always make you look and feel incredible. You have the power to shine in any crowd. Believe in yourself and remember, true attractiveness comes from within. Go out and show the world the best version of you. Keep your hair clean, well trimmed, and styled. Regular haircuts help maintain a neat look. Follow a skincare routine that suits your skin type. Cleanse, moisturize, and use sunscreen daily. Keep facial hair neat and trimmed. Shave regularly or maintain a well-groomed beard. Shower daily, use deodorant, and maintain oral hygiene. Wear clothes that fit well. Avoid anything too tight or too loose. Develop a personal style that suits you. Invest in good quality shoes and keep them clean. Use accessories like watches, belts, and hats to add a touch of style. Stand and sit up straight. Good posture exudes confidence. Keep your hair clean, well styled, and trimmed. Find a hairstyle that flatters your face shape. Follow a skincare routine tailored to your skin type. Cleanse, moisturize, and protect your skin with sunscreen. If you wear makeup, aim for a look that enhances your natural beauty. Less is often more. Maintain daily hygiene, including regular showers, deodorant, and oral care. Choose clothes that fit well and complement your body shape. Develop a personal style that makes you feel confident. Wear shoes that are both stylish and comfortable. Use accessories like jewelry, scarves, and bags to enhance your outfit. Maintain good posture to appear more confident and poised. A warm, genuine smile can make a significant difference. Smile is attractive and inviting. Be confident in your appearance and abilities. Confidence enhances overall attractiveness. Eat a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and proteins. Regular physical activity helps maintain a healthy body and boosts confidence. Ensure you get enough sleep to look and feel your best. Take time for yourself to relax and de-stress. Mental well-being reflects in your physical appearance. By paying attention to these aspects, both boys and girls can enhance their appearance and feel more confident in public. That's for today's video. Subscribe to Magic Peach.